Along with making fun of friends, there's one more thing that's really fun to make fly, and that is high-tech gadgets. Today, I'm going to show you some of the coolest drones available online that you can also purchase. So let's get started with number 1. First up, the Hover 2. Imagine holding a drone in your hand, and instead of fiddling with complicated controls, you simply let it take off right from your palm. That's Hover 2, a flying camera designed to make aerial photography effortless. It shoots crisp 4K videos and 12-megapixel photos, all stabilized by a smooth gimbal that keeps footage silky even when the drone is moving. What makes it stand out is its obstacle detection system. Whether you're walking through a forest trail or cycling down a busy street, Hover 2 can follow you from the front, side, or back without crashing into anything. Even if you've never flown a drone before, this one feels like it's doing all the hard work for you. Picture yourself jogging along the beach while Hover 2 captures cinematic shots from angles you didn't even think possible. Now let's shrink things down with ZANO. This nano drone is so tiny it fits in the palm of your hand, yet it's packed with clever features. With a single click, it can return to your hand or land safely, making it perfect for beginners. It's designed for aerial photography, but adds a fun twist. You can control it with simple gestures. Imagine waving your hand to guide it or signaling it to hover above you for a quick selfie. ZANO proves that drones don't have to be big to be powerful. It's like carrying a pocket-sized photographer wherever you go. From pocket drones, let's shift gears to adrenaline-pumping speed with the Falcon FPV300. This racing drone is built for thrill seekers, even if you've never flown one before. The magic lies in its FPV, or first-person view system. Slip on the special glasses and suddenly you're seeing exactly what the drone sees, as if you're inside the cockpit. Racing through obstacles with friends becomes an immersive experience, almost like a video game brought to life. Imagine setting up a backyard race course with hoops and tunnels, then competing to see who can maneuver the Falcon fastest. It's not just about speed, it's about feeling like you're truly flying. Speaking of flying, let's talk about MetaFly. This isn't your typical drone. It's a biomimetic creature that looks and flies like a real bird. Instead of propellers, it flaps its wings to soar through the air. Watching MetaFly glide is mesmerizing because it moves with the grace of nature itself. You can control it at slow speeds for gentle flights or push it faster for thrilling maneuvers. Thanks to its embedded chip, it avoids collisions and feels surprisingly easy to handle. Imagine releasing MetaFly in a park and watching people do double takes, wondering if it's a bird or a gadget. It's not just a drone, it's a piece of art in motion. Now, for those who crave cinematic action shots, the Airdog ADII is a powerhouse. Built for athletes and adventurers, this drone delivers professional quality footage with incredible stability. It can reach speeds of up to 72 kilometers per hour and withstand strong winds without losing position. Whether you're skiing down a mountain, surfing waves, or biking through rugged trails, the Airdog ADII follows seamlessly, capturing every moment like a Hollywood production. It's best suited for users with some drone experience, but the payoff is stunning. Smooth, cinematic videos that make your adventures look larger than life. For a more casual companion, meet Orbit. This drone is designed for fun and everyday use. With a single click, it takes off and begins tracking you during activities like running, skating, or even walking your dog. What makes Orbit special is its ability to stop instantly when you stop, almost like it understands your rhythm. You can view live footage directly on your phone, making it easy to share moments instantly. Imagine skating through the city while Orbit glides alongside, capturing dynamic shots that feel spontaneous yet polished. It's like having a loyal flying buddy who never misses a beat. Now, let's step into the future with Fleye. Unlike traditional drones, Fleye is more like a personal flying robot. You don't need complicated controls. Just pick it up, release it gently, and it hovers into action. Equipped with a camera, Fleye offers a glimpse of what personal flying robots could become in everyday life. Imagine a future where these devices assist with tasks, follow you around the house, or even help with deliveries. Fleye is a prototype of that vision, showing us how drones might evolve into robotic companions. Finally, let's dive underwater with BIKI, the world's first bionic wireless fish drone. Compact and streamlined, BIKI swims like a real fish, complete with natural movements that even trick other fish into thinking it's alive. Operated via smartphone or remote, it balances itself and swims autonomously once placed in water. Imagine exploring coral reefs or recording underwater footage without bulky scuba gear. BIKI captures stunning visuals while blending seamlessly into aquatic environments. It's not just a gadget, it's a bridge between technology and nature, opening up new ways to explore the underwater world. So don't wait, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss videos on the latest and coolest gadgets. And finally, friends, stay safe and enjoy the fun. See you in the next video with some brand new gadgets.